I'm here today with crap products or products I regret buying. I just have a few here that I wanted to share with you guys. These are products that just didn't work out for me one way or another, and I wanted to share them with you. That way, if you were thinking about buying them, maybe you can like cross them off your list as a pass. So I just have a few, but I thought I'd share them with you, and let's just get into it. If you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Decide to subscribe by hitting that subscribe button. And yeah, let's just get into the products I regret buying.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
First is this matte texture from Toni Guy. I got this at Target. It's their dry shampoo morning after refresh with a matte finish. Yeah, this makes my hair nice and greasy. It does not give me a matte finish. I can't remember how it smells. It's like pretty much full. Smells wonderful. And when I spray my hand, like it's a nice fine mist, but something about this formula just makes my hair so shiny and greasy feeling. It doesn't absorb any oils. It makes my hair way down and greasy and shiny. There's nothing matte about it. I feel like it didn't like add grease or anything to my hand, but something about this does not work with my hair. I've tried it about 4 times, and then I just felt like it's gonna be like an updo non-filming day today. So this is a pass for me. I just don't like it. All right, the next I did a video showing this. This is the Revlon Insta Filter Foundation. First of all, it's very difficult to find your shade. This is 240 medium beige, and I felt like that was even pretty light when I had my self tan on. That's the one thing, it's hard to pick out your shade. 2, this baby is $18. Like, hello, drugstore, why are you $18? So it's $18, the shade range is kind of weird. I hate the packaging. This weird little spongy thing is going to absorb so much of your product, whether you use this sponge or, you know, dispense it to use it on some other form of like palette or the back of your hand. Somebody told me you can pull this out. That just seems like a lot of extra work for a foundation. I do not like the packaging. I don't like the application. Those are all things, you know, you can kind of move past. I just wasn't blown away with this foundation. For $18, it should be pretty darn good, especially for a drugstore foundation. I felt like it did not look good on my skin. The more I wore it throughout the day, it got super oily. It broke up in really weird places. For that price point, it's like not worth me keeping. Hate the packaging. It's just, I don't really like it. It's not a very good foundation. I don't even have particularly oily skin, and I don't tend to have a lot of problems with it breaking up all over my face, but it broke up around my nose, around my chin, on my forehead. It started separating. It's just not a cute look. So I'd pass on that foundation. I think that there's a ton of other better foundations. The One by Physicians formula is absolutely phenomenal. It's about $13, so it's a few dollars cheaper, but it's a lot better. This next product I also showed in a video. This is the NYX Micro Contour Duo Pencil. This is absolute garbage. It's supposed to be for contouring like your lips and your nose. Okay, I got mine in the shade Light. The contour shade is incredibly orange. Like, that's a very orange brown. Nothing about that says contour color. Contour should be cooler, almost like ashy gray tone. This is so warm, it's not, no. And then the highlight is like a nice vanilla color, but they are so stiff. It's not creamy. If you apply this over your foundation and try to blend it out, it is going to move your foundation all over the place. I tried this out in a video. It was absolute garbage. Do not spend your money on that. All right, the next is this Wet n Wild pencil. I bought this from Wet n Wild on their website. I think it is available at Ulta now. This is their new retractable brow pencil in the shade medium brown. I've tried this a few times since I showed it in a video. It is so, it's just really hard. The product is really hard. I find that it kind of made my brows look a little bit weird. One, the color is just like not right for me. So that's the first thing. But I love my Maybelline Total Temptation brow pencil so much. And that one like is a bit stiffer still, but I feel like I get good pigmentation with it. It's not too creamy, not too much pigmentation. I get just the right amount. This one, I almost feel like I have to tug at my brow to even get anything to come off. So this one was not my favorite. I'd recommend the Maybelline one over this one. The NYX, That's the Point, Put a Wing on It. This, you know, I don't mind that this is such like a chubby liner because I really like the e.l.f. one that's really chubby like this. This does not, no. It's easy to do like your wing, but it's not very black. It's not very pigmented. Like, look at that. It almost looks brown. Like, it's just not a very dark black. It's very, very light. You have to go over it a couple times to build up the intensity. It's just not good. I think that the e.l.f. one that's like this is really good. I think the Wet n Wild Pro line is phenomenal. It's $4.99. This just is not great for me. More products. This one is the Physicians Formula Brow Last. I also showed this in a video. This is weird to me. I don't like it. I really like the Maybelline Brow Tattoo. That is really, really good. I love that. This, not so much. First of all, you open it up and you get, look how much product comes out. Just so much goopy product on this brush. So you have to wipe a ton, like a ton of it off. So you wipe it all off, which, you know, takes a lot of time. Okay, so then you have this brush, which the brush is actually quite thick for brows. And this is supposed to be a brow gel that you're applying with a brush, a thick brush. So you try to get it into like little strokes and then you end up getting clumps. It's just not good. Like, if I'm gonna use a brow gel, I want something that's really gonna coat my brows nicely. This one, it's like you're almost like feathering and drawing it in, and then you close it back up, and I've gotten all over. And then you pull this side out, and then you try to spoolie it through. I don't like it. I don't like the concept of it. I get that they were trying to do like a cool angled brush. Yeah, no. It looked goopy. It was super crunchy in my brows. Definitely wouldn't recommend that. If you want a good brow gel, there's so many good ones at the drugstore. I really like, oh, which one is that? I think it's by Maybelline or L'Oreal. Anyways, they have really good brow products. I think they're probably less expensive than this one, and I really like the new Maybelline Brow Tattoo. That stuff is really good. The last one is this Maybelline Holographic Prismatic Highlighter. I love the Molten Rose Gold, and then I love the gold one. This one was the one in Holographic Prismatic. And it looked so pretty. I really was excited to try this. You can see maybe the holographicness. This is literally just chunky AF, and it's so glittery. Like, so glittery. You do get like a nice pink shift to it, but there is so much glitter. So many glitter, thick, chunky glitter flecks in this. No, thank you. If I want to highlight like this, I'm going to get the new diamond one from Too Faced. That gives you a beautiful kind of holographic look to your cheeks. This, no, it's too chunky, too glittery. Looks really like white and ashy on when you put it on, and then just has all this glitter that sits on your cheeks and then falls throughout the day all over the place. So this is a total fail unless that's kind of what you're looking for. I was not. I would definitely recommend the Too Faced diamond one that looks like a proposal box. That one will give you that really pretty kind of holographic look to your cheeks without being chunky or glittery or a mess all over the place. So guys, I hope this was helpful. I hope you got some good recommendations on products you should get instead of these crap products. I always love doing these videos. I love watching these videos. I hope you found that it was entertaining and helpful and useful. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.